Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So this video I'm so excited to do because a Amazon seller reached out to me and said, would I like to review a couple of handbags? Of course, as you guys know, I love handbags, so I'm going to say yes. So the seller sent me a choice of 4 handbags to choose from. She said that I could choose 1 or 2 of them. Of course, I've got to choose 2 because all 4 were very practical and useful, but these 2 I favoured more out of the 4 that I had a choice of. So I had them delivered today. They're still been wrapped up. I haven't peeked because I wanted to give a 100% review. Just because I've been sent items, I have to stay true. If I don't like it, if I find it's cheap and nasty, I'm going to say that because I don't know about you, I have to watch my pennies, and I would never recommend something to my subscribers that I've built up a really good relationship with to go ahead and buy if I think it's a load of crap. So I wanted to do as honest as I can and unwrap the bags in front of you and give you my absolutely first opinion of what these bags are like. So let's get into the first one. As I said, I do have 2 to look at. I have wrote a couple of notes down because I wanted to make sure I got the bags around the right way for pricing, etc., and the names. Okay, so I love the idea that it comes in a little cloth bag, so you can keep this and obviously store them in there to save any dust. Okay, so first impressions of this is cute. It is very cute actually. Now I'll be honest, out of the bags, this was maybe my least favourite, but having looked at it in person, I actually quite like this. This is definitely my style of bag. So let's have a look at it. So as you can see, this is a tartan fabric on here, and we have the front flap that has a magnet to close, which is a very strong magnet. Nobody's getting in there without you knowing. It's very nice inside. The back has a little, what do you call that, pocket? Which is very nice. I love the inside. It's absolutely stunning. Look at the inside of that. Look at that lining. Beautiful. So let's have a look inside. So we have a zip to close, make it secure. It's the quality of that, and it works beautifully. And inside we have a structured kind of pocket here. It has leather on here just to give it a little bit more structure. We also have a zip compartment as well, just to keep your cash and your credit cards, phone safe, and that is quite a deep pocket as well, that you're going to manage to be able to get quite a few valuables in there for safekeeping. There's plenty of room in the bottom there for like a lunchbox, makeup bag, your phone, your car keys, anything in there that's of importance. I like the fact it has little feet on the bottom, so that will protect it when you're placing it on the floor. It's a really cute bag. So let's have a look. The hardware on it looks to me like a gold colour. And then of course we have the strap here. So let's have a look, pull this apart. So you can use this, I guess, as a crossbody bag as well as a shoulder bag. You can't get it out of the plastic. Okay, let's keep going. Now this does come in 2 colours. Obviously I have the black one, and it does also come in a brown colour. I will leave the photo for the brown one here for your information. The bag cost £13.58, as does the brown one. This was delivered from Amazon, sorry. I'm a Prime member, so I got a next day delivery, which I always think is fabulous, so you're not waiting about. So I'm just popping that on the clasp. Oh, that's it. Okay, so there it is attached now. So as you can see, it is a very long bag. It's easy enough to pop over your head. This is actually, at this length, is perfect for me. I don't like my bags sort of up here. I like them more on the hip area. It's not too heavy either. So yeah, I quite like that. It's all right. And for £13.58, ladies, it's a bloody bargain because the quality is actually there. Okay, so the second one we've got, again, I haven't looked at this either because I wanted a fair and honest review. This one, I'm so excited. This is completely down my alleyway. They do this in brown as well, and I was so tempted to ask her for the brown one, but you know, I didn't want to take the Mickey. Plus I wanted to show another handbag, what this company actually does. So let's have a look at this one. And again, it comes in one of these like duster bags, I call them. I don't know if they are called duster bags, if they are. Love the packaging. It's all very, very good and protects the bag very well. Oh my God, look at this one. Guys, is this not bloody gorgeous? Look at this. So, let's have a play. Okay, right, where do we start with this one? So I'm just going to close it and I'm just going to have a really good look at it. Love the strap. So, as you can see, it is quite a bit bigger than the other one I just showed you. This is definitely more my style. The bigger, the better. I love it. Shoulders, that fits perfectly, even when you've got a padded coat on. You are going to be able to put that on your shoulder, no problem at all. It looks expensive. Now, from what I can remember, I'm sure this is vegan leather. The price on this would be £26.98. That is an absolute bargain. Anybody that is into handbags will know that vegan leather is expensive. Just to say, they also do this in a brown colour as well. Same price, £26.98. I so wanted to order that as well as this one because the brown one is just as gorgeous as this. Again, you can get next day delivery because this is under the prime delivery of next day delivery. And it's very large, it's very big. It smells gorgeous. So yeah, let's have a proper look at it. I'm in love with this bag. In love. Okay, so let's start with this front bit. So it does have the magnetized clip to do it up with, and it's quite a strong one. You can actually hear it. Yeah. And then inside we have zipper to open it with. No problems with that zipper. Very smooth. Beautiful. Let's have a look inside. Oh my God, I'm going to be here all day telling you all these compartments. And you get a shoulder strap as well. Okay, so looking inside, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at all of these compartments. You've got a massive one here. Then you close that over. This is the central compartment here. We have pockets here for phone. Another pocket here as well. I love this because it has like a trim on it of the leather. It just makes it a little bit more structured and easy to find as well. And on this side, if you can see guys, I'm doing my best to show you, we have the zip compartment here. Let's see how deep that is. Very deep. That is definitely going to be able to accommodate a big phone, plus your cards, your cash, all your valuables in there. Central department is huge. And then this side, oh, you've got another deep pocket here. This will be fantastic for people that work in an office or like me, like to carry around my tablet. This is the test. Is this gonna fit in here? Let's have a look. Absolutely no problem. So yeah, It can accommodate a 10 each tablet with still plenty of room. This also has feet on the bottom, which I do like because it does protect the bottom of the bag a lot. It's great. Let's just do her up. The hardware on this is also a gold colour. I feel like I'm going to take these off because they're a little bit noisy. So you can adjust the straps on the shoulder parts here. And I'm just going to undo them and take off this stuff here. So I feel like I'm being a bit noisy. And then just reattach them back on to your desired length. Righty-ho. Lovely. And let's pop this back on. So I mean, there's a few ways that you can obviously wear this over the shoulder, or you can, I guess you can put the longer strap on and wear it as a crossbody bag. Okay, so much better now. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a perfect size for me. This is the size of bag I actually go for. So this is the strap. Let's have a look at this. I like the idea that you can put this shoulder strap on, but if you didn't want these ones to hold it, handle ones, you can actually remove them as well. Although personally I wouldn't, because I think it would change the style of the bag a little bit for me. But it's good that you've got the option to wear it both ways. So that is that on now. And also on this bag, on the back, there is a zip compartment, which has a deep pocket in the back here. So I'll leave a photo of the brown one here. And just to recap, this bag, including the brown colour one, they're both £26.98. You can get it on Amazon Prime, next day delivery. Well worth it. I love, love, love this bag. And a big thank you to the seller who sent me it. They're beautiful. Absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to start using it. Okay, so I'll link these two bags down below if you want to go and check it out for yourself. Please go across and have a look. Speak again. Please take care of yourselves and each other. Leave them comments. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you went and brought one. That would be great to know. Bye for now. Mwah. Take care. Bye.